All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Belovsky Science. Another short video today. Basically, in class today is Wednesday, September the 9th. Basically, today uh, and tomorrow, we have been working with Chapter 14, Section 3 and 4. Tomorrow, we will wrap up Section 4. You need to make sure that you have completed Chapter 14, Section 3 and 4 review sheets and submit them. Turn them in to me. Okay? Um, Now, that's this one right here. All right, number 3. Make sure you have those things turned in to me, completed and turned in. Make sure you do your warm up. Okay, so here's what you need to do. This right here is a chapter 14 review. Okay, now you have review sheets at the end of each section. You've received grades for section 1, section 2. You're finishing up section 3 and section 4, and you're going to be turning those in. So what in the world is this right here? Okay, this is something that will not ever be graded. So let's get that out in the open real quick. This will never be graded. Okay, this is strictly a study aid. Now, it's a very important study aid, but it's one that you will never receive a grade on. Now, so let's look at it and see what it is. You use it however you see fit. Okay, now if you'll look here, let me kind of make it a little bit bigger here. What you're looking at right here, you can print this out and hand it to your mother and say, okay, Mom, what are follicles? And if you can tell her that follicles is a opening in the opening in the skin that produces a hair, okay, well, then you know what a follicle is. If mother says pores and you're like, oh, I can't remember, then she needs to put a check mark by that, and you need to take your review sheets and you need to study what they are. Okay, so you need to go down through here. This right here has all the vocabulary that's on the test. And what you need to do is you need to look at and you need to see which one of those you know and which one of the ones that you don't have a clue, and you need to study. Now, flashcards, mom, dad, brother, sister, somebody calling them out to you, you study whatever way works best for you. Now, this down here at the very bottom, you need to look at the reviewing key terms, numbers 1 through 10, on page 497 in your textbook. So let's go find it. And I don't have a textbook listed here. So here, let me add for you real quickly a textbook. You can see how I do this. I want to add for you guys a textbook real quick. I don't know if I'll be able to find it here or not. Doesn't look like I can. All right, so let's go to upload. Chapter 14, sections 3 and 4. All right, so now here is the book. All right, so what you need to do is you need to go look at the very bottom. What did it say? 479 or 497. All right, so we're going to scroll all the way to the very bottom. 497. Right here's 497. These 10 questions that you see here are on the test. Okay? So what you can do is you can look at these and look them up in the book here. Go back into the book and find them. And you can find the answers to these questions. You can walk into the test on Friday and you'll know all the answers. You'll know the answers to these 10 questions. That's 20 points right there. So it's a pretty good little tip right there. Blended folks, you will take the test on Friday. Traditional folks, you will take the test on Friday as well. Everybody will take it together. It will be online and it will be very similar to the skeleton test. You'll have your test in one place and you'll have test moz in another place. And you'll be reading the question, marking your answer. So keep that in mind. All right. Well, that's the how to do your assignment for today. Basically, you're needing to study. So over the rest of the day today, throughout the day tomorrow, Thursday, you need to be studying, getting yourself prepared, and then Friday we'll take the test. So until tomorrow I'll put something online just to remind you to study. May not be a video. This may be the last video for a while. But you need to be looking over your materials so that you can be ready for the test on Friday. So have a good day. We'll see you later on.